This tutorial shows you how to install the population genetics software jModelTest2. This tutorial assumes you are using Ubuntu Linux version 20.04 as your operating system. If you do not have Linux, you can emulate it on your Windows or Mac computer for free. See the show notes below for details. In fact, I am emulating Linux right now on my Mac computer using VirtualBox. I have a VirtualBox virtual machine pre-configured with the software I will show you today, as well as other population genetics and ecological niche modeling software. See the show notes below for step-by-step instructions to download and hook up this virtual machine within your Windows or Mac computer. This tutorial assumes you have Open JDK 11 installed on your machine. See the show notes below for installation instructions if necessary. You can skip this whole tutorial if you want to just download the VirtualBox virtual machine I have created that is already pre-configured and run Linux in virtualization as a virtual machine. All the code you will see me use in this tutorial is in the show notes below. The first step is to open up a terminal window. You can do that by clicking this button down here and doing a search for the word terminal, or if you have it showing up in your sidebar, you can just click on the terminal. The first thing we need to do is switch the default version of Java to Open JDK 11. To do this, type sudo space update-alternatives --config space Java. Type in your password. Look for the version that says Java-11-OpenJDK. Ignore answer choice 0. The one that is the default right now is the one with the asterisk. To switch, you can switch between that one and this one here that says number 2. So number 2 says Java-11-OpenJDK. Ignore the version that says that's under 0. We can only switch between 1 and 2. Press 2 to switch to the other one. Or it might be 1 in your case or some other number. Switch to the one that is Java-11-OpenJDK and hit enter. Next, we need to install phyml, which is necessary for running jModelTest. To do that, we're going to type sudo apt-get update the repository. Next, we will type sudo apt-get install phyml. Hit Y and then press enter. Now we can install jModelTest. Sudo apt-get install jModelTest. Hit Y and press enter. Now we are ready to run jModelTest. From anywhere in a terminal window, type jModelTest and hit enter. And there you have it. Don't worry about this warning message at the bottom. I have tried it and jModelTest works fine.